McGough, lots of opinions on retail sales. I remember multiple client debates on this in the last 1 to 3 months from the January high, of course, because retail sales accelerated in January, as everyone can see if you look at the data series that is retail sales. It's not an opinion. It's not static. It's empirical fact. But retail sales in January had accelerated to 7.4% year over year. We have this as the chart of the day. I think that Gendron can show that. So even if you do have static, you still have vision, and you can see that. But a 580 basis point 3-month deceleration, Brian. Those are a lot of words, but those are also numbers. That's one of the biggest decelerations on a trending basis, because 3 months or more is a trend of our careers.
Yeah. And we're seeing that across the board, basically everywhere. We're seeing it in the Red Book numbers as well, which came out yesterday after the call. They came in, they accelerated. So from 1.3 up to 1.6, but on a 2-year stack, hit new cycle lows with a big deceleration. So we saw it in Depot's numbers yesterday. We're going to see it in Lowe's numbers next week. And guess what? We actually saw it as well in Target's numbers this morning. People are talking about the great headline beat and how things look awesome at Target. Well, the only thing that looks good at Target is its ability to cut SG&A, because that's how it hit the quarter. But I'm going to pass it over to Jeremy for more details on that one. And he'll hit on a couple of stocks, and then I'll come back on 1 or 2.
Target beat the headline, all SG&A driven as sales and gross margin missed. And the 2Q guide is being basically guided down by about what they beat the first quarter. So you've just got like offset the 1Q upside with 2Q downside, and revenue expected to slow to down low single digits from flat this quarter. That's the comps number. So they're holding the full year guide here. Still some incremental margin pressure coming, but it's less from discounts. They actually highlighted shrink is going to be a $500 million profit headwind this year. So year over year headwind. That's shrink rate is basically, it's something we've been talking about for maybe about a year. But, organized crime and theft in certain retailers, specifically Target and Best Buy, have been ones we've heard it from a lot, where, they're just, people are just selling or stealing stuff from the store and like selling it on the street, or otherwise become a very real problem for retail in terms of incremental margin pressure.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.